Why choose FALCON School of Learning? We are redefining early child care education with focus on providing a fun-based learning environment. FALCON School of Learning offers your child a great environment to learn and discover new things every day like no other kindergarten. As a parent, you may wonder, is the kids' preschool near me, is it good for my child? At FALCON School of Learning, our preschools have child-friendly furniture and provide an exciting learning ambience to your child. Our emphasis on the child's well-being and development, in close coordination with parents, makes FALCON School of Learning one of the best preschools in the country. Facilities we also provide like smart classrooms with smart learning methods, online student reports like attendance, marks, remarks, homeworks, etc. Infrastructure in our preschools is built as per international standards to ensure your child enjoys the best preschool environment, with offering practical knowledge with top-class computer, chemistry, physics, bio, and general lab. Supporting finer arts, creativity, music, dance, and literature. Teachers not only do they guide students in academics or extracurricular activities, but they also responsible for shaping a child's future, making him, her a better human being. We have highly experienced and fully trained faculty equipped with high-level knowledge. Our school is at safe location, away from chaos or traffic area. RFID system in every student's ID card which helps to track students for going out of the school area. Thank you for giving your precious time to us. For admissions contact us at 8160460755 or visit at FALCON School of Learning.